Myself, Dr. Humaira. I am from JT Arts, Science and Commerce College for Women, Malegaon, Nasik. My topic is hemostasis. Hemostasis, it is nothing but the phenomena in which loss of blood through the wall of damaged vessels is prevented. Hemostasis is made by the two words hema means blood and stasis means hold. For doing so, it not only restricts blood vessel blood loss but also establishes a framework for tissue repair. The major steps in hemostasis include the vascular, platelet, and coagulation. Three steps are responsible for the coagulation of the blood, in which step first is nothing but the vascular phase. In this phase, what happens? The cutting wall of a blood vessel triggers a contraction in the smooth muscle fibers in the vessel wall that decreases the vessel's diameter. This contraction produces a local vascular spasm which can slow or even stop the loss of blood through the wall of a small vessel. This period of local vasoconstriction, called the vascular phase of hemostasis, lasts about 30 minutes. The second phase in the hemostasis is nothing but the platelet phase. So what happens in it? During the vascular phase, the membranes of endothelial cells at the injury site becomes sticky, and in small capillaries, endothelial cells may stick together and block the opening completely. In larger vessels, platelets begins to attach to exposed endothelial surfaces. This attachment marks the start of platelet phase of hemostasis. As more platelets arrive, they form a mass that may plug the break in the vascular lining. And in such a way, platelet phase is completed. Now the third phase is nothing but the coagulation phase. What happens in it? Coagulation of the blood takes place. In this phase, the vascular and platelet phases begin within a few seconds after the injury. The coagulation phase does not start until 30 seconds to several minutes later. Blood clotting or coagulation involves a complex sequence of steps leading to the conversion of circulating fibrinogen into the insoluble protein fibrin. As the fibrin network grows, blood cells and additional platelets are trapped within the fibrous, forming a blood clot that effectively seals off the damaged portion of the vessel. In such a way, coagulation or clotting process is completed and formation of a gel-like structure occurs where the entangled of blood vessels and platelets takes place and sealing of ruptured area occurs, and the process is nothing but the hemostasis or coagulation of the blood. So in such a way, the three steps are helpful for the hemostasis. Here it is. My lecture is concluded. Thank you. Thank you very much.